have put together a solid research notebook in your Notebook LM. You have uploaded sources, generated notes, and structured the insights. Now you're about to share it with your team. And the real question comes here, are you giving them access to learn or access to change your work? Because in Notebook LM, that difference is significant. When you click share, you're not just adding another email, you are deciding how much control someone has over your research environment. Notebook gives you three primary roles: viewer, editor, or remove the access. And as the owner, you also control how much visibility a viewer gets. So let me break down these three roles for you. A viewer is designed to consume what you have curated. They can read the sources that you have uploaded, ask the questions in the chat, or interact with the studio feature like listening to the generated audio overviews, reading the reports, etc. But they cannot add or remove sources, edit, add, or delete notes, share the notebook with others. They are exploring your research, not modifying it. And here's something important. As the owner, you can decide whether a viewer gets the full access to the notebook or the chat feature only. That's a powerful level of control. An editor, on the other hand, is built for collaboration. They can do everything a viewer can, plus add new sources, remove existing sources, add, edit, or delete notes, share the notebook with others. However, they cannot delete the notebook itself, nor remove the original owner. So this is near full collaboration with ownership protection built in. As the owner, you can also control how access works. You can restrict access to only specific invited emails or allow access via link. So you decide who gets in. And if notify people is selected, they receive an email notification letting them know the notebook has been shared. So here's what really comes down to. If you are sending the notebook to leadership so they can review sources, ask questions in the chat, and listen to the summaries that you have curated, make them a viewer. They can explore everything you have built without changing your structure. If you are working with a research partner who needs to upload documents, refine notes, and expand to your analysis, make them an editor. They can actively shape the notebook alongside with you. Same notebook, but two different roles. Viewer protects the structure, whereas editor helps to build it. And once you are intentional about your choice, you are shaping how collaboration plays out in your shared notebook workspace.